Don't expect the Panthers to book a trip to the Poconos anytime soon. They've had about all they can take of Pennsylvania, losing 3 in a row to teams from the Keystone State within the past week. The latest setback came Friday when the defending Stanley Cup champion Pittsburgh Penguins made a 2-goal deficit disappear in a blink, coming up with 3 second-period goals en route to a 4-3 win. Conor Sheary caused the Panthers a lot of damage